Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a small introduction on myself and also the reason why I created this YouTube channel. So let's get straight into it. I own a virtual real estate CPA firm where we help real estate investors and small business owners play the IRS game by minimizing their tax liability as much as legally possible. What does that all actually mean? It just means that I help my clients who are in real estate or who have a small business play the game by using the current tax laws that are already written out there. So for example, you always see on social media, Kim Kardashian, our former President Trump, and other celebrities talk about how they're using their private jets and they're doing a write-off, how they're buying their G-Wagons, their Ferraris. For me, it's the Lamborghini SUV that I hope to get one day, but really, that's exactly what we do. The things that they did not teach us in high school or in college, I'm trying to teach to my clients and to you how to play the IRS game. However, I understand that this is extremely complicated and sometimes what we see online or in articles is way over our heads. So I really want to create videos that are short, straight to the point, and really show you how the wealthy do it. Because let me tell you something, the wealthy created the laws for the wealthy. Unfortunately, they did not create these laws for our W-2 employers, which is unfortunate because you will note in a lot of my videos when I give you examples, a lot of my W-2 clients pay more in taxes as a percentage than those who have a business. Now, if you are not a real estate investor or don't have a business yet, and remember, a business can be a TikTok influencer, a consultant, an OnlyFans, Uber drivers, e-commerce, everything that has anything outside of your W-2 that you're actually pursuing to be a business will count as a business. Now, who am I? I was born and raised in Mexico, and I was there till I was 14 years old, around 13 or 14, honestly, I can't remember. And my mom met my stepdad in a club in Mexico, fell in love, and he moved us all the way up to Wisconsin. So I lived in Wisconsin for about 20 plus years. I went to the University of Wisconsin-Madison for 2 years where, you guys, I partied way too much. That is a story for a different video. Then I ended up going back to the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee where I finished my bachelor's in accounting, took my CPA, and where I thought I was going to find the best job. And you guys, I hated it. I hated the 9 to 5. I went to a public accounting firm, then I went private, and I realized that just was not it. So I quit my job and I started my business about 6 years ago. Now there's a lot that goes in between those years that I'm happy to make a video on, but fast forward, I created my firm virtually for one reason and one reason only. And that was to make sure that I was able to work wherever I wanted. And this was in 2017 prior to COVID. So it was hard to get it up and running because no one was doing virtual CPAs. Nobody felt comfortable giving information like that, obviously over a computer. But now fast forward and we are still helping real estate investors all over the country, like I said, minimize their tax liability. So again, I hope that you enjoy the content of this YouTube channel. If you want me to talk about anything, about LLCs, EINs, please leave it in the comments. Feel free to follow us on our social medias. We have posted them below, and I hope that you find some value in all of our videos. Now, I'll tell you this, and I will say it all the time. If you are not playing the game, you are losing. So play the IRS game, people.